All right, this is for Nigerians who are into Ryokyu and people also who are hoping to get into Ryokyu, right? So I've stumbled upon these particular two questions that keep reoccurring, and people are always concerned about these particular two questions. So in this video today, I'm going to be answering these two questions, and the first question here is, how much can I start with, right? How much can I start with in this Ryokyu platform? And the second question here is, how much will I make when I get into Ryokyu? Right, so in this video I'm going to be talking about these two questions. I'll be answering them gradually by explaining to you exactly what you're about to head into. So let's kick off with the first question here. How much can I start with? Right now, in every business you're doing, definitely there is amount of money which you set aside for yourself personally, to say, okay, I'm going to be starting this business with this amount of money at this point, right? So how much you have, it is how much exactly how much profit rather you be making, right? I always talk about this when I'm teaching people trading. Personally, I tell them, you can't get into the market with $50 and you expect to make $1 million out of the $50 in less than no time or in a twinkle of an eye. It is not possible, right? Now, if you're getting into trading, you know this amount of money that you have in mind that you're going to be kicking off with. Now, trading, it's a gradual process, right? It is a gradual journey. It is a step by step journey. You don't expect to get into trading today and you're making a whole lot of millions out of it. No, it doesn't work that way, right? Now, how much exactly you are getting into this platform with determines how much you're going to be making. Let me give you a rough estimate now from what I teach my students. Let's assume you're kicking off trading today with the minimum of $100 at that point, right? You don't expect to be making $10 in a day. That is not possible. When you are actually taking a trade that can make you $10 in a day, you are over risking your trade at that point. You're over risking your money and you are likely to lose the money at the end of the day, right? So now, if you're kicking off with $100, if you make at least $1, 7 cents, 8 cents in a day, you are doing perfectly well. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme or program. Have it in mind. Put that at the back of your mind whenever you want to get into trading. Trading is a gradual process. It's a long time journey. As you grow, as you keep moving, that the more you move, the more you gain more experience, the more you gain more knowledge. That is the more profit you're going to be having at that point, right? So how much you're making in trading determines by the capital you have, amount of money you have. Now that brings me to a point where I will need to advise many of us, many Nigerians, because now roughly if you're going to be making at least $1 in the market from a Ryokyu platform, you're having in mind, okay, $1 every day. I think you should be having close to $400 or $400, $500 at that point, right? Now, if you know you don't have such an amount of money to get into this platform with, I will advise you to get into the affiliate part of this platform, right? Because whenever you bring in a new affiliate a new person into this platform, you get a $30 referral bonus, right? A lot of people have actually made such a good amount of money from the affiliate part of it, because when you're looking into, okay, I want to trade, yes, if you have the money, definitely you trade, right? I would advise you to do so. But if you know you don't have the money to get into the trading aspect of Ryokyu, the best part of it you should get into is the affiliate side of the platform, right? Now, if you don't have the amount of money to get into the platform to trade, look into people who you know who can afford that, people who you know has the money to trade. Get them into the platform, let them register with $120. When they register that, you get your first referral bonus of $30, right? That is the best part of Ryokyu, and it's the best part which you can actually earn a lot of money within the platform according to your hard work, right? Now, the second question is how much will I make? Actually, I've answered the second question also in the first question, because how much you're making is determined by how much you're putting into the platform, right? That is why I advise people to get into the affiliate part of it. Now, I want to actually add something else to this particular thing, because we Nigerians, we are always interested in the safety of our money, right? The safety of our money is always one of our big concerns, right? Now, whenever Nigerians hear about trading, right, this is one thing that many of us don't know yet. This is because they don't have a basic knowledge of it, or they've not actually seeked to get the knowledge, or to make their own inquiries to know how it works. Though there are different types of trading. Let's say, for an example, there are two basic ones, right? One of them is spot trading in crypto. Spot trading, right? And spot trading, it's just like the normal one we do here, P2P. You're holding your naira, you're giving your naira to exchange for Bitcoin, for USDT, for Ethereum, for Litecoin, for whatever coin it is you have in mind, right? Now, whenever you exchange your naira for those cryptocurrencies, the only way you are going to be losing money in you purchasing those cryptos is when you are selling below your purchase price, right? Whenever you sell below your purchase price, that is the only time you're going to be losing money in cryptocurrencies, as long as you are only on spot trading. As long as you don't sell below your purchase price, you will never lose your money in crypto. Crypto has to do with patience. It's a waiting game. Buy low, you sell high, right? That is the basic language in crypto. When you buy low, you sell high. Now, when you buy low and you sell low or lower, actually you're gonna be losing money. Or when you buy high and you sell low, actually, I think it's you buy high and you sell low, you will lose your money. So here in RioQ, they don't do margin trading. Margin trading is where you're gonna be leveraging your money, right? Let's assume you are predicting the market is going to be going up and the market is coming down. Now you are leveraging your money, your little money, to make even more money from the prediction you're about to do. Now, when the market does not move in your direction, whether you like it or not, you're going to be losing money at that point. If you like it or not, whether your money is huge or is small, you are going to be losing a lot of money. That is when it has to do with margin trading. Now in RioQ, your money is safe because they do not do margin trading. They have good and professional traders who actually find good opportunities in the market. They buy it low, and they find the possible exit points in the market when it actually goes higher than where they purchased, right? At that point, you're making money. The only way you lose money in RioQ is when you manually, because at the end of the day, you have access to your money 24/7. You have access to your money. Nobody actually touches your money without your consent, right? They only trade through API keys. Now you have 100% control over your own money. Now, when they execute these trades for you in your profile, and you manually close them in a lower price than what you purchased initially, that is only when you're going to be losing money in RioQ. But as long as you allow them to do their jobs, which you've actually paid for, there is no way you are going to be losing money in RioQ, right? Because these currencies you're buying, it's totally yours. You have 100% control over it, as long as you don't close manually at the lower price of it, right? Lower purchase price, actually, you're going to be losing money at that point. So these two questions I've answered. How much can I start with? How much am I going to be making with? I believe I've actually answered them perfectly to you. And also have it in mind that your money is guaranteed safe, right? Safe. Your money is safe as long as you don't manually close your trade. Your money is safe in the platform, and I guarantee you, you're going to be doing well in RioQ. So look into the affiliate part. if you don't have the money to kick off the trading from that can get you the riches actually you're looking for, because you're going to be needing a lot of money at that point, get into the affiliate part. Get your friends who you know who can afford this amount of money to trade. Get them to the platform. Believe me, you'll be happy you saw this video today. All right, see you guys. Have a nice year ahead and happy new year, everyone.